We're live. This is SpackleBucket Moto. I'm Andrew. I'm just back in the garage right now. I am going to go ahead and put in GPS mount here for my 650X Moto. Kind of hate running the RAM mounts on my bikes. It just looks clunky and they never quite how I want them to be. So what I'm doing is I've got a little part here. Check it out. 3D printed. And this is something where I'm going to put a 3D model link in the description, and I'm going to go ahead and put all the parts that you would need for making these, so you can make your own. This has basically the Garmin amps mount, so if you got one of these here, you'll be able to bolt that right on there. And the great part about it is I designed it around 1/8" bars. It could be adjusted to be 7/8, or even a quick adapter, but if you're running a KTM, it's narrow enough where you could bolt one in there and you'd be good to go. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to pull the headlight mask off because I got my wiring crap that I already had done inside the mask there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get that all on there so you can see what it looks like and check it out how it all works. We'll be back in just a jiffy. Boom. Alright, I think we're still using this thing here. Alright, so we got the GPS mount all on there. Check it out. Nice and stable. Nice and solid. If you didn't see there, a little Wolfland bag. Keep some tools in there and all that good stuff. But we're wired in, and the beautiful part here, kick the key on, and like a hoverboard that'll work on water, it's powered. Giddy up. So that's it. Turn that off. So that's about it. Andrew, SpackleBucket Moto. Come here. Come here. With our shop dog, Billy Booger. Oh, look at that face. Oh, yeah, you came here for the GPS mount. You stayed for the dog. Oh, yeah, look at it go. Andrew from SpackleBucket Moto. Barely hiding, wanting to go to bed. We are out.